Hey everybody, Brandon Shiga here for Week 4 discussion topic for MIU Week 4 term 1301. In this topic we're supposed to discuss about the aesthetics on usability. First I want to discuss the article that I found, and then I'll answer the questions. So here we go. So this is the article that I found. The title of it is Usability, Aesthetics, and Emotions in Human Technology Interaction. Basically, what they did in this article was they did a series of tests to help kind of give some information on how aesthetics affect usability. They did 2 different tests that they talk about in here, where they had 2 different kinds of devices, and then they had these 4 groupings: high usability, high aesthetics, high and low, low and high, low usability, and low aesthetics. And then what they would do is, it says the experiment took about 45 minutes. For each system, participants rated the visual aesthetics of the player after it was introduced. Then they had 10 minutes to complete the test of a first set before the systems were changed. Then they'd have another 10 minutes to complete the second set. And then they ran it again with this other device, which kind of has the usability a little skewed. It has one here that's centered, everything's easy to read, and then it has one that's kind of diagonal from each other. And again, they ran the same tests. And you can see here that even with high aesthetics, the time for both on the usability was pretty much the same. It was a little bit faster with the high aesthetics, and same here. This is actually about a 3-second difference, so that's kind of a big jump. But it just goes to show you that aesthetics definitely does play a part on usability. The average tasks that were completed were the same, just the times were a little bit faster. But for both, the usability definitely played an important role. I mean, these times are almost double what these times are. And then overall good judgment. The high aesthetics definitely both placed higher than their low aesthetic counterparts. So I definitely think it takes aesthetics definitely plays a part in usability and how easy you can use a device. So for the first question, it's what changes have you made to your app that improved your application's overall aesthetic? Like I said in my reflection video, I am probably one of the least artistic people on the planet, so my app was not very pretty at all, but basically I think that's what a lot has to do with it, making sure that everything is aligned correctly, make sure that it's all, there's not too many distractions, too many different color choices. Try to keep the palette small, keep the colors similar. You don't want like greens and reds and oranges and blues and the whole entire rainbow of your app, otherwise it'll start to get distracting and hard on the eyes. I tried to do as much to the app as I could that was aesthetically pleasing. I kept the color choice, like the different colors, to a minimum. Try to keep them all in the same grouping, greens and blues and reds, rather than have them just kind of bouncing between everywhere. It makes it a lot easier to read, and from what I was reading in the article, people who look at the app basically have a couple seconds before whether or not they feel it's comfortable or not. And then if they don't, they probably just won't either use it or they'll try to find something different to look at. I think that I still need to make a couple changes. I think I could increase a lot of the details. I didn't really change the button colors or anything like that, mostly because I just didn't know what I was looking to do. And I think I could work on the color scheme a little bit better in terms of that. So yeah, I hope you guys like my video. I look forward to your responses, and talk to you later.